Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing a quick little makeover of this little side table. I purchased this at Home Goods and I'm using this Rust-Oleum spray paint in white in a semi-gloss finish to go over this. It's really cute as is, but I'm redoing my son's bedroom. He wanted a side table to put remote controls and different things next to his bed, and nothing would really fit there. So I found this table. I thought it was perfect, but it needed to be toned down a bit. This color was not going to work for him. So I'm just spray painting that white, and just going to do a little very quick makeover. This is nothing special. Just wanted to share it with you, and this is the final result of the spray paint. And I'm going to move on to the next step. So this isn't it. Obviously this could be a table in itself, but I'm going to cover it with a piece of wood. So I had to get two small pieces of wood. I cut them down to size, and to make it thicker I had to glue them together. So I'm doing that now using some Gorilla wood glue. Adding that to both sides, and then just going to line it up and keep them together and put some clamps on just to hold that in place, and then I left it overnight. I'm using this wood filler to fill in the gaps between the two pieces of wood. The dog always makes an appearance when I'm recording. And I'm just going to sand it down to make it smooth, sanding down the top and the bottom and all the sides. And this is how it turned out. It looks pretty much the same, but it's very smooth now, and all the sides are looking good. And I'm using this Jacobin stain, and it's matching a dresser that we already purchased for my son, an updated dresser to replace some old youth furniture that he had, and giving him a more mature look. He's going to be 8 this year, so just staining that with a stain that is pretty close to the dresser. This is a nice mature color. So I'm just doing one nice coat, and I'm not even putting any polyurethane on this. It's not going to get a tremendous amount of wear and tear. I guess I could always add that later if I wanted to, but I'm just putting on this stain, and it's working out very well so far. And here's the final look of that. And I'm just going to attach it to the top of the side table using some random screws, and just screw it right into those little slots that you see there. So here it's in position, and I'm just going to flip it over and make some drill holes and then insert the screws wherever they fit. So here I'm just making the hole, and then I'm just going to add the screw here. I tried to space these out as best as I could. I didn't think it needed too many because, again, this won't be getting too much use. It's just a side table for remote controls. And if he wants to play with any of his little Ninja Turtles or whatever while he's in bed, he can always put them on this side table before he falls asleep. So this is the final result of that. Again, it's a very simple makeover, something that's easy to do. It just took a couple of hours minus the dry time of the glue and the stain. And I think it turned out pretty nice. So hopefully I'll be able to share that full makeover of his room, and then you'll be able to see how this is being used in there. I'm planning on getting that done sometime this summer, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your support. Please leave a comment below if you like, and I will get back to you. I'll see you in the next one.